Woohoo! I've created two huge pieces of this Lego Build dried flowers centerpiece so far. Today we're assembling the Legos in bag 6. Check out the other videos to see what happened before this, and then there's just one more bag of Legos before this unique Lego centerpiece will be finished. Related videos are linked in the description. Thanks for subscribing and watching my mixed media art tutorials too. This video is set in real time to some music, and there's another version that's time-lapsed. So you have options of ways to enjoy the creation of this Lego dried flowers centerpiece, which is my first venture into Lego building. Good choice to start off with, I think. It's beautiful, and today we'll be constructing the second large flower that really stands out as a focal point. Can't wait to get to the last bag of pieces in the next video too, so I can enjoy the finished Lego centerpiece either on the table or hung on the wall with a little hook behind it. Come experience this Lego dried flower centerpiece from the Botanical collection with me. That's a wrap for bag 6 of the Lego dried flowers centerpiece. What do you think about that large flower? It was a little tricky to get the petals to fold up neatly and then attach it to the main piece without bumping anything else. This Lego centerpiece is getting so full and lush. Watch the following video as I complete the steps in my very first Lego build.